Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mila B, and today I'm doing a very quick eyebrow video. So I just got off of work, so this is my normal day-to-day look when I go to work. And I picked this up off of Amazon, and if you watch my channel, you know I have used this brand before for henna brows. So this is just the quickest ever. Like, I literally get up in the morning, I'll give y'all my skin, my favorite things that I do, because I'm like a really quick, ain't got time type of person. So I literally draw my eyebrows on with this brow pencil. I use 2 brow pencils, not every day, it just depends on the look, but my 2 faves. I'll link everything in the description. So let me hurry up and get going because I got somewhere to go today. So I'm about to go wash my face so I can go ahead and show you guys how I do my brows. Okay, y'all, so now I'm back with my bald brows. So all I'm gonna do, and yes, my face is dry and crusty and I do not care, getting real skin today. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up just because this is what I typically do before I pencil them in. So I kind of want them to be pretty much how I do it. So when I do this henna, inside of it, you can buy the complete kit. I'll leave both of them in the description box. I don't need the complete kit anymore because I just needed a refill on the henna. So it comes with this little cup, and it comes with the henna. It usually has like a little mixing stick, but I guess this one's missing it. But anyways, I tell people all the time, make sure it's like a baby food consistency. It kind of gives you a ratio, but I feel like that doesn't always do best. So when it kind of has that like blended banana stage 1 baby food consistency, for all those who know, that's when it's right. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it off camera, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it to get a very natural look. All right, y'all, so once you mix up your henna, you have to let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then yeah, I guess it has to activate. So what I do is I go in like I'm drawing on my eyebrows. Now at this point, y'all, I don't even need a mirror. I'm just using my camera screen because I have done this for so long, because I've been bald brow for most of my life. Maybe I should have used one today though, because I clearly messed up, but that's okay though. All right, so I do it in layers. This is something that I've learned to do. So you do the first layer pretty much like the back of your eyebrow, okay? And fill in all of this because you want it to kind of have that ombre effect. And this is how I've learned to get that. So you apply it, and then you move on to the next brow. Because what I do is I like it to start kind of getting hard before I add another layer. So now I'm gonna come in and I'm going to do this eyebrow. And you see how I'm staying away from the front of my brow, and I'm just pretty much working like pretty much the mid to the back of my brow, or the tail of my brow. Now, if you start doing this and you feel like it's just too light, like, girl, this ain't working, because sometimes my consistency isn't what I need. Like, I probably could have put just a dash more henna in this, but that's okay, because these are gonna look super natural. That's pretty much how this works. So if you want them a little bit darker, then you could have put like a dash more henna. It would have it's gonna darken regardless, but it just would have looked a little bit more, I don't know. So anyways, that's it for the beginning. And I'm just gonna crispen up my line down here to make sure my line is pretty. And remember, brows are sisters, not twins. So if it's not exact, it's okay. So now I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna do my second layer, okay? So the second layer, I'm pretty much making sure if I missed any spots, I can fill them in. And this eyebrow has less hair than the other one, so I tend to have to fill in a lot more than I do on this brow. So I'm just coming in and I am filling this in. Hey, baby girl. Y'all, my daughter's right here staring at me.
Your eyebrows.
It's kind of awkward because she's literally staring at me. Hey, beautiful.
Mom,
yes.
what's this one? What's this one?
I'm in the
They don't
trust the process. They are sisters, not twins.
No.
Be your own kids, y'all. Be your own kids. Okay. Back up, baby girl, because you're making everything shaking and I'm not going to be able to see. All right, so now I'm coming in with my second layer for my outside of my brow. Okay. Don't touch it, B.
I'm making it brighter.
No, don't touch it because it's shaking. Hold on. Sorry, y'all. Ooh, that's nasty. You choking? Oh, there go my food, y'all. It's ready. Okay, so I'm applying the second layer to this brow. And there we go. All right, so now I'm gonna slowly work my way in. I'm gonna slowly work my way in to the front of my brow. And so to keep that ombre, y'all, I'm still not gonna come all the way to the front because I like mine to kind of line up with this. I got like a little flat nose, but this is where I like my brow to start, right there. And I don't map mine. You can, it might make it a little easier for you, but I don't do that. So I'm just gonna keep coming in slowly.
Why is your hair so big?
My hair's always big, girl. All right, so I'm still coming in. I'm still not to the front, okay? And then I'm gonna come in with a third layer, y'all, because this is when it get real good. Because then this to me lasts me longer and I don't have to redo it as frequent. When I do that third layer, then I get kind of what I want. So I'm just coming in and I'm kind of dabbing this one because I want to make sure that I don't leave any holes, because I have had times where I did not fill that in, like one little spot and I had a hole. So I'm trying to just kind of, y'all, she interrupted my video. We're going to have to put her out. Okay. So third layer, and I'm still coming in more and more each time. Okay. There she go. I know she looking weird, y'all, but trust the process, okay? So that's where my brow is going to start. That's gonna be the front of my brow, okay? And I don't care if I have that little dip because sometimes it actually makes it look even more natural. So, all right, let's do the third layer on this brow. Yeah, because you gotta wait till the end, girl. She be talking all that trash. And then be like, oh, your brows look good later. You can hear me, girl? I did not know you could hear me. I missed the spot right there. I'm sorry, I noticed it. Okay, so that's where my brow's gonna start, okay? That's gonna be the front. So now this is where it gets a little tricky. This is not my favorite brush to do this part because it's not as thin as I would like. But I basically take it and I flick little hair strokes, y'all. And then see, I'm gonna add a few more. And I'm actually gonna let it dry for a few seconds. And then I'm gonna come in and add even more, okay? So I'm going to.
I'm good, I can write it by myself. Do I just write my name, Parker?
Yeah, you can write it, but just write it neat, okay? Put it on the inside of the bag. No, not that kind of marker. You need a Sharpie. I'll get you a Sharpie. I had to find one. So this is why I was saying earlier, don't worry about the hole, because as you start painting those little fake hair strokes at the front, I don't know if y'all can see it now, this is gonna darken up. And when it does, and you wipe it off, y'all, it's gonna give you that ombre powder brow look, because you're gonna have those little hair strokes in the front and then the darker color in the back.
Will this marker work?
Hold on, baby.
Will this work?
You need a real Sharpie. I'll get you one. I got one in my work bag. She's so impatient. Let me give myself a little tail, because I ain't got no kind of tail right there. Ooh, I might have made it too. I might have took it too far. No, that's not bad. Okay. Ooh, tail. Okay, let me check this one. Ooh, shoot, y'all. I have a little freckle right there. Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna go back. I'll use this brow first. I'm gonna go backwards and like get all up in there in my brow hair. Y'all see that? Ooh, and then I'm gonna comb them up. No lie, y'all. I've tried this with edge control and it literally is the same thing. And I always say, I'm just gonna use edge control, and I never do. So anyways, I'm going upward and outward with the brows. Then I'm gonna take my little spoolie just at the top and whoop and swoop. Then I'm gonna take my little spatula and I'm gonna press that mess in that thing. There we go, look at that. Bow, bow. All right, y'all, so I'm in the salon now. The lighting's much better. And you can see how this is just plain henna and this is henna with the brow pomade. So you see how it has that fluffier look? I don't know if you can tell. So to me, this looks so natural. And I'm the type of girl that doesn't wear foundation every day. I don't have anything on my face right now. I literally just washed my face. It was super dry. And as you can see, I have oily skin because already, look at that. Before the day is over, all this would be oily too. But I just want y'all to see what that henna do with that brow freeze. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna stop rambling. See y'all. Bye.